As I settle into my seat at the airport, ready to return to the painted desert, my mind unfurls a tapestry of recollections, transporting me back to a mere 7 days prior. The shortest distance between the onset of spring and the culmination of summer is 10 hours and 6,000 miles. There, in Buenos Aires, I was enveloped in a warm, tangible embrace of humidity, a scent that lingered like a persistent memory. The city street pulsed with a rhythm of chaos, populated by automobiles whose design were anchored in a decade's past, each one parading by as if resurrecting the incense of the 90s for me to witness anew. Graffiti adorned walls in an array of vibrant defiance, each piece a testament to a moment, an emotion, a snapshot in time, rendering the city's surfaces as canvases of communal memory. These visual echoes give rise to an intense feeling of déjà vu, a bridge across time that connected me with a bygone era I thought had faded. But Buenos Aires is more than that.
What's new, Buenos Aires? I'm new. I wanna say I'm just a little stuck on you. You'll be on me too. I get out here, Buenos Aires. Stand back, you ought to know what you're gonna get in me. Just a little touch of star quality. Fill me up with your heat.
In the heart of adversity, Argentina shines with a resilient spirit, its vibrancy undimmed by the challenges it faces. This is a nation that, despite economic trials, hosts a thriving ecosystem of innovation and enterprise. Companies like Tenaris, Globant, and Pediosa stand as beacons of success, illuminating paths through the crisis with global recognition and local impact. They're more than just businesses. They are testaments to the Argentine resolve, creativity, and forward thinking. In these hubs of progress, we see the embodiment of hope and undeniable proof that even in the midst of hardship, Argentina continues to build, innovate, and lead.
Because you ought to know what you're gonna get in me. Just a little touch of star quality.
Here, in the pulse of its industries and ambition of its people, lies the true strength of Argentina, a country that refused to be defined by its challenges, but is continuously reshaped by its victories.
If I need a moment's rest, give your lover the very best. Real out of town and silent.
Buenos Aires reveals that the soul of a city lies not in its modern facade, but in the vibrant life of its people. The streets, with their historical charm, are alive with a culture that shines brighter than any new technology. Here, the passion of the Argentine people transforms every corner into a canvas of joy and resilience.
Pienso evitar un roce secreto, ya que el amor de música ligera.
In this city, traditions like tango and football are more than just pastimes. They are the heartbeat of a community that finds unity and celebration in every moment. It's a place where the love for life is infectious, turning even the simplest experience into profound expressions of collective happiness. As I dwell deeper, Buenos Aires unfolds its true beauty, rooted not in the physical but in the spirit and passion of its inhabitants. This realization shifts perspectives, highlighting that the essence of the city is its unwavering celebration of life and culture, a testament to the enduring power of human connection and joy. When you travel, you don't just fall in love with the sceneries. You fall in love with the people you travel with. When you fall in love with the city, you don't just fall in love with the silent statues. You fall in love with the artisans who shaped them. You fall in love with the people who built the road, the waitress who bring your food, the barista who made your coffee. You fall in love with a father chanting with his son in a football game. You fall in love with a young chocolate vendor. You fall in love with the tango dancer, the gauchos, the Uber driver, and the mother who works hard for her son. Even during the hardest time, you will always see bright smile on Argentinians' faces. You will see a nation with a great resilience and unity to overcome any obstacles with their love for life. Love can move mountains. So don't cry for anyone, Argentina. You are home to the most remarkable people, the very foundation of the nation, who can guide you through the darkest hours with unwavering strength and passion.